Hello, good morning. I want to talk to you about clutter today. Are you surprised? I talk to you about clutter every day because it is the bane of our house, our homemaking. But here's the thing about clutter. Clutter is the enemy of clarity. That means when you have clutter everywhere, you can't think straight. Have you ever heard it said that when you look at someone's messy desk, you know that's what their mind is like on the inside? Well, it's kind of the same thing with our house, and mostly it's because we're sidetracked. So if you want to fix this, get your planner, do your routines, do your basic weekly plan, do your zone work, but do it every day consistently so that you can have clarity, you can have peace, you can have organization. So clarity is the enemy of, clutter is the enemy of clarity. And today you're going to conquer clutter. And you don't conquer it all at one time. Don't get overwhelmed. It's just one little bit at a time, 15 minutes. Make it a great day.